Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. Back with another get ready with me makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. First, starting off with one of my favorite eyeshadow primer bases, P. Louise in Rumor number 5. If you don't have this eyeshadow primer, you are missing out, seriously. Just taking some time to blend. There's going to be lots of blending in this video. Let me tell you, blending is very therapeutic. So it's a process, it's gonna happen. So you just gotta be patient. Now setting it with setting powder. Let me tell you something. This setting powder right here literally smells like peaches, okay? It smells wonderful. So hopefully I don't get any mosquito bites on my face because that has happened before. For this look, we need it to be crisp. So your girl is adding tape, okay? We need this eyeliner to be cutthroat, okay? For this look, we are using Morphe's Gel Eyeliner in Voodoo. This gel eyeliner is very creamy. Like, it kind of annoyed me how when I applied it, it literally was expanding. So if you are looking for a gel eyeliner to make a crisp, precise line, do not use this product. Find something else. I don't know if I got a bad batch or if that is the deal with this specific brand for this collection, but yeah, I had to make the line thicker and thicker and thicker. I would not be surprised if they discontinued this specific product. Like, I cannot be the only person on this planet who feels this way about this product. So, I mean, I got it for like $2. It was on sale. So I did not expect it to be like this though. Like Morphe usually has some good stuff. But anyways, that's neither here nor there because we are here and we are trying this bad boy for the first time and making a video about it. So we're gonna just go with it. Sometimes you just gotta go with it, okay? And we're going. Now, of course, adding some shimmer. You know your girl gotta have her shimmer. Glitter is everything. If it doesn't have glitter, I don't want it. So, we're adding glitter. And let me tell you, it completely elevated this eye makeup look. Like, come on, this is absolutely pretty. So much prettier. Now applying some magnetic eyelashes to my eyes. These eyelashes aren't too bold. They are wispy though, so I think it's just right for this look. Now applying some mascara for the final touch. And voila, that's it. This eye makeup look literally took like 5 minutes. Really 5 minutes per eye, but yeah, it really didn't take that long and it's super pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. My face makeup routine is basically the same. I do have a full detailed tutorial on how I highlight and contour my face. In this video, I'm just using different products because I got a problem. I like to buy stuff, and the stuff that I like to buy happens to be makeup. Let me live. Let me live my life, okay? I like what I like, okay? But yeah, so sit back, relax, and let's finish getting ready. All right, that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments if you have any questions, comments, or concern. By all means, be sure to subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel for more beauty reviews, for more makeup tutorials, all that good stuff. So that's all. All right, I will see you in the next video. Later!